Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between direct breeze or natural wind mode on XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan 2 Pro. To do it, simply go into the fan in the app. Later on I'll show you the second method by using the fan itself without the app. So here you'll just need to go to the device and you'll see modes, direct breeze or natural wind. You can just switch it by clicking on either natural wind or direct breeze. I don't really know what these do, it's not described anywhere, so it's hard for me to describe it, but yeah, that's how you do it. Now I'm gonna show you the second method on the fan itself, if I'm able to show you it. You can see there are 3 buttons, and this one is for either changing the power or for enabling or disabling the natural wind mode. Once you press and hold on this button, once you hear a beep, this light will light up, and this is the natural wind mode. Once you press and hold on it again, and it's off, you're in direct breeze mode. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.